The Amazon seller forums are one of the only free resources where you can talk to an actual Amazon employee and an Amazon top seller at the same time. I'm going to show you why it's so effective. And you just go to Amazon forums, just Google Amazon forums. It's going to be the first link. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to Welcome to Seller Forums. You can sign in if you want to reply, talk to other actual sellers, right? But you can see different categories right here, and people are posting their problems all the time. So you can jump in, read, learn, right? So look, trademark misuse on AirPods. Has anyone had this today? Right? So you can see this, different replies and what to do. Maybe somebody has like a trick or is telling you what to do. Why do some sellers get free removals but not others? Things like that, view all discussions. And the main thing about what Seller Forums is, Seller Forums is an Amazon community space for selling partners to build connections with other Amazon selling partners. So it's for you to make pretty much friends who are also Amazon sellers, help each other out on this forum. But you can also talk to Amazon employees, right? And then see Amazon employees posting. You can see plan your Black Friday. This is from an actual Amazon employee who actually posted this. And they're actually giving you a FBA peak readiness playbook with different tips and tricks for Black Friday. You can see what other sellers think about this, and you can see their comments. They're not too happy, but it's pretty cool to see this kinds of stuff. Like you're getting actual raw data and people speaking their mind. Now, this is an example of an Amazon employee helping somebody, right? So it says account suspension due to false copyright claim. So somebody made this. And again, you can create your own discussion yourself. Just click new discussion. And what they did is they posted a picture, got a fake copyright claim, don't know what to do, need help ASAP, right? And they show it right here and they block some of it out. And you can see what they said. Look, like we're not doing copyright infringement. And then Amazon steps in. So this is an actual Amazon employee named Emmett, and he actually goes in and tells them exactly what to do. So what you need to do is you need to file a DMCA counter notice, and they actually have a link so you can click on it on how to do it. And once you do that, then as long as the copyright claim is fake, his account will potentially be reactivated. It usually takes 30 days, but that's awesome that you have an Amazon employee that can help you right from the get. Another thing is again, more Amazon news, product title require. A lot of these Amazon news you never hear of. They don't email you about it. You never hear about it, but you do hear about it on the forum. So staying on the forum is super important. So you can see all these new requirements, stay up to date. And this is just Amazon being Amazon. New effective date for FBA inventory reimbursement policy, right? And only 2,000 people saw this. A lot of people don't know about this. I get more tips. That's going to be another one, is actually trying to get experienced seller that already knows what to do to help you. So you can have Amazon comment. Sometimes they don't comment at all. But if you can get an experienced seller, right, you can see bad sales. This is 2 weeks ago. And pretty much, I don't know what wrong. Probably nothing that you have done either right or wrong. Chalk it up to the economy, yada, yada. So pretty much never ending, let's boycott. So kind of just going through on like, hey, don't complain. We've been selling online for 20 years. There's always a big drop in sales anytime the government shuts down. So trying to explain to the seller, this is actually top sellers that are taking their time out of the day to help another seller. And you can see Amazon even comments. And they get tons of different dislikes. But very funny to see this. And then another person who needs help. Hey, I need help. What's an inbound placement fee? What the heck? And then you're getting top sellers taking their time and going through how it works. And then you have Amazon's reply, which is usually, sometimes it's good. Usually it's a lot worse because they're not an actual Amazon seller. So they just post a policy that just has a lot of words. When somebody is willing to break it down to you is super nice. And usually you have to pay money for things like that. So that's kind of the gist of it. If you are an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you just try to post a discussion. You want to be short and sweet and right to the point, right? Also, if you want a free listing audit, you can go to the link in our description. We'll give you a free listing audit. Fill this out, and then we'll go to your top competitors, tell you how much your top competitors are making, tell you exactly what you can do to improve your listing and generate more sales. It's completely free. Great practice for us, free for you. And that's it for today's video. If you want me to make more videos like this, let me know in the comments what the next video should be. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also offer full account management, where we'll help you manage all of your accounts. You'll have your own consultant that's experienced in all of these questions. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.